Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure the phone is ready. Charge to at least 50% or plug it in and connect to a reliable Wi-Fi network so the download won't fail. Once done, open Settings, scroll to Software Update, and tap Download and Install. You do this now because interruptions during download can corrupt the update. A backup protects your data. Make sure background apps are closed so the device can focus on the update process and keep temperature moderate. When you tap Check for Updates, the phone contacts Samsung servers and verifies the latest build. Wait while it responds. If an update appears, review the size and make sure you have enough storage. Delete large files or move media if needed. Choose Download Now to start immediately or schedule install for a convenient time. Once the file downloads, the system verifies integrity. This step prevents corrupted installs. Keep Wi-Fi connected, and don't reboot the phone until verification completes. Tap Install Now and let the device reboot. During installation, you'll see progress and occasional restarts as system components update. After the phone finishes and boots, go to Settings about Phone Software Info to confirm the build number and security patch level. Make sure apps open normally and battery behavior is stable. If you encounter problems, reboot once more. If issues persist, boot to safe mode, clear the cache partition, or restore your backup. These steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.